Evolving cyber threats and vulnerabilities in cybersecurity risk management. The digital age has brought immense opportunities, not only to grow your business using the digital options but also has opened a lot of doors for more sophisticated and damaging threats. Every day, organizations face new challenges as cybercriminals are constantly innovating, developing sophisticated attack methods that exploit and breach security defenses. The critical importance of cybersecurity risk management cannot be overstated. To effectively safeguard sensitive data and systems, a proactive approach to cybersecurity risk management is imperative. It plays a vital role in protecting organizations from these ever-changing threats, ensuring business continuity and safeguarding sensitive information.
Understanding the cyber threat landscape. Factors such as globalization, technological advancements, and the rise of digital economies have fueled a surge in cybercrime. From financially motivated attacks targeting personal data to state-sponsored espionage, the potential consequences of a successful cyber attack are severe. The current state of cyber threats. Today's cyber threat landscape is highly dynamic, characterized by a wide range of malicious activities aimed at compromising information systems. Factors such as increased connectivity, digital transformation, and the widespread use of cloud services contribute to the rise of cyber threats. A single successful attack can cripple business operations, damage reputations, and result in significant financial losses affecting governments and individuals by causing operational disruptions. Factors contributing to the rise of cyber threats. Several factors fuel the rise of cyber threats. Advanced technology. The rapid advancement of technology provides cybercriminals with sophisticated tools to launch attacks. Increased connectivity. The proliferation of connected devices expands the attack surface, offering more opportunities for exploitation. Human factors. Social engineering tactics prey on human vulnerabilities, making individuals and organizations susceptible to breaches. Common types of cyber threats. Cybercriminals have a diverse arsenal at their disposal. Malicious software, malware, including viruses, worms, and ransomware, can disrupt operations, steal data, or hold systems hostage for ransom. Categories of cyber threats. Cyber threats can be classified into several categories. Malware. Malicious software designed to damage or infiltrate systems, e.g., viruses, worms, trojans. Phishing. Deceptive attempts to obtain sensitive information by masquerading as a trustworthy entity. Ransomware. Malware that encrypts data and demands a ransom for its release. Denial of service, DOS, attacks. Overloading systems to render them unavailable. These threats have become increasingly sophisticated, often combining multiple tactics for maximum impact. These are just a few examples, and cyber threats are constantly evolving. Recent cyber incidents and their consequences. Recent examples highlight the impact of cyber threats. SolarWinds attack. A sophisticated supply chain attack compromising numerous organizations, including government agencies. WannaCry ransomware. A global ransomware attack causing widespread disruption and financial losses. Phishing scams. Targeting individuals and organizations to steal credentials and sensitive data. Emerging trends in cyber attacks. Cybercriminals are leveraging advanced techniques to gain a sharp edge. The implementation of artificial intelligence (AI)-driven attacks had benefited with automation of recitative processes, personalized attacks, and exploit vulnerabilities at an unprecedented scale. Advanced techniques and technologies. Cybercriminals leverage advanced techniques such as social engineering, manipulating individuals to divulge confidential information, AI and ML, automating attacks and improving their accuracy and effectiveness. Challenges posed by emerging technologies. Emerging technologies, while beneficial, also present new challenges in cybersecurity. IoT devices, increased connectivity, and weak security protocols in IoT devices create vulnerabilities. Cloud computing, shared resources, and misconfigurations in cloud environments pose security risks. Blockchain, while secure, blockchain technology is not immune to attacks and requires robust security measures. Cybercriminals are increasingly leveraging advanced technologies to launch more targeted and sophisticated attacks. To ensure a secured infrastructure, we need to implement a more seamless and a much advanced techniques like proactive threat visualization to build a stronger defense. Vulnerabilities exploited by cybercriminals. As we all know, cybercriminals capitalize on vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access to systems and data. They do this by exploiting vulnerabilities in software, systems, and human behavior. Common vulnerabilities. Cybercriminals exploit various vulnerabilities such as unpatched software. Outdated software with known vulnerabilities is easy to breach. Weak passwords, easily guessable or reused passwords make it much easier to gain access to critical data. Phishing attacks, leveraging human error to gain access is the most sophisticated type since there are no very less evidences of breach. Exploitation methods. These vulnerabilities are exploited through a few well-known techniques like unauthorized access, gaining access to systems or data without permission. Disruption of operations, interrupting business processes through attacks. Importance of vulnerability management. Effective vulnerability management is essential for identifying and remediating these weaknesses before they are exploited. Implementing a comprehensive cybersecurity risk management strategy is the key to building a resilient defense against evolving threats. Strategies for effective cybersecurity risk management. A proactive approach to cybersecurity is essential for mitigating risks. Several key pillars support a robust cybersecurity risk management strategy.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.